Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the value of k for continuity at x equals 2 is actually super fast. We will simplify the expression and solve it right now. First, we look at the top part of our function. We can factor the numerator by pulling out a 2, which leaves us with 2 times the quantity x squared minus 4. Next, factor the difference of squares into x minus 2x plus 2. The x minus 2 terms cancel, leaving 2 times the quantity x plus 2. Finally, plug in 2 for x to get 8. Setting 8 equal to 5k means k is 6/5. Option C is the winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps for option C.